Hi, I'm Mr. Rivera and I'll be posting tutorial videos for our Mariachi Academy program, specifically for our Guitarron class students. On this video, we're going to talk about tuning your Guitarron. And the one thing you need to have is a tuner where you can download an app. This is the one that I use, is Pana Tuner. And what's cool about this app is that it measures in hertz whatever note it listens to. Why is this important? Is for you to know how high you need to tune your strings. Because if you go too high on an A, could be an octave above, and you want to like try to tune to that A, you might end up breaking your string. So you don't want to put too much tension on your string because it will break. Or if you tune it too low, an octave lower, then it's not gonna sound right. So we're gonna tune this Guitarron. This Guitarron, it's is the one I don't use very often. Their strings they're old, so it's gonna be kind of hard to tune them. But most of you guys have tuning pegs, mechanical ones like this. So when you're tuning up, you turn your wrist to the left to tune up and to the right to tune down. So you go to the left to tune up, to the right to tune down. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna tune this Guitarron. You can see it's not tuned. So we're going to start on the first string, which is this one right here. The first string, it's A. So I don't know if you can see, you twist to the left to tune up. And we check. Twist and we check. Do it again. Twist to your left to tune up. A little bit more. So as close as you can get it to 110 hertz. That's the frequency you want it. That's A. And the second string will be the second one. This one right here. That one. And that's E. So now it's in E flat. So same principle. We turn left. Turn your wrist to the left to tune up, like this, and check. Almost there. Once you get it close, just turn just a little tiny bit, just to get it. So the second string's frequency measured in hertz is going to be 165 hertz for the second string. So like I said, if you go octave lower, it's not going to sound right. Or if you go too high, you end up breaking the string. So this is a good tool to know that you're tuning each string to its proper tension. So that's the closest I can get this string because it's an old one, so it's not going to tune right. So as close as you can get it to 165 hertz. There it is, almost there. So the needle goes like this because the string is an old string, and old strings didn't tune good. So that's when you need to replace your strings. So the next string is going to be C. That's the third string from the bottom to the top. 1, 2, 3. Third is going to be C. You can see it's on B, almost B flat. like I said, to your left like this to turn up, left to turn up, right to tune down. So it's a bit high, turn left. And for C, we need to have it as close as we can get it to 130 hertz, right there. Now we'll go for the fourth string, which is G. This is 1, 2, 3, 4th string. That's G. So it's a bit off tune. So again, twist to your left to tune up and check. So you just turn just a little tiny bit. 98 hertz. That's what you want it. 98 hertz for the 4th string. So now we go for the 5th string. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th. That's D. It's a bit low. Same thing. Twist to your left to tune up. Too much. For the 5th string, it's going to be at 73.5 hertz, as close as you can get it. As long as it's in the green, you're good. 73.5 hertz, as close as you can get to that frequency. There it is. Now we go for the 6th string, the one on the top. It's also A, but it's not at the same frequency. It's an octave lower. So what's the frequency on the 6th string is going to be 55 hertz. As close as you can get it. First says 55 and then just to 110. But the first number that shows the one that counts. 55 hertz. Just turn it down. So for the 6th and 5th strings, you want to turn just a little tiny bit. Don't turn it too much because it goes way up or way down. That's where you want it. 55 hertz. There. And now you're ready to practice with your Guitarron. So once you finish tuning, you check them all again. Because sometimes when don't use your instrument very often, once you tune them, all the strings you have to recheck them to make sure they're